Hi friends, good evening. Dr. Sanjeev Arora, your host, back for an Insta Live with again one of the eminent personalities. And this time, the person with whom we would be interacting is again a mom blogger and influencer. She's a versatile lady, a wonderful human being, a great mother, and her name is Kanika Bhatia. So we're just waiting for her to join in, and I think she's here. So I'll just call her. Let me just call her.
Hi, good evening.
Hello, Kanika ma'am. How are you, Kanika ji?
All good, all good. Good evening, everyone.
Great, great. So we've got a versatile lady here. We've got a wonderful mom here. We've got a wonderful mom blogger here. We've got a wonderful
Thank you.
influencer here.
Thank you so much for the invite.
Yeah. What more can I say, ma'am? I think I need you only tell us a lot of things about you, so that the people joining in, and of course the people who know us, you, me, probably can get a better idea about what exactly you are dealing with.
Definitely. Definitely. So let me start with my introduction. I am a mom influencer. I have my page on Instagram, on even on Facebook. My handle is Kanika Khanna Bhatia on Instagram, and I have the blog, the page on Facebook as well. It's with the name The Mom Express. So I have started this journey post, my first child. So it was like an on and off journey that time. So it's been like past few months, or you can say, yeah, exactly. Past few months, I have taken it like I am consistent on this platform. So yes, those who are watching can go and check my page for what I do. It is basically my page is all about the parenting hacks, the lifestyle hacks. I am a mom of two kids, one a daughter who's gonna turn 9 months in a week, and a son who's 3.9 months old. So I'm a digital marketer by profession. I have my graduation in BTech IT. So I was working as a full-time digital marketer, but because of kids, my elder one is super naughty. So I had to taken a sabbatical. Today only I shared my journey, what actually happened. So I took a sabbatical. Then I was expecting another one. So it was like this only. So yeah. So now I'm consistent on this platform.
Good, good. So where did you get an idea of getting into this as a mom blogger, or probably a parenting expert, or giving some tips on parenting? Where did it all started? Like, I understand that we did our formal trainings, we did our formal curriculums, and then of course PhDs and all those stuffs. And today we're dealing with a lot of children, a lot of behavioral issues, a lot of parenting problems, a lot of career issues, and a lot of issues related to children. So we understand that we had that mindset. I had that mindset that मैंने वही करना है. And because I love children, I love trainings, I love talking and giving counseling to parents. So, but where did it all started from you?
It's a very interesting story if I say. So when I was working as a software engineer, so I used to read blogs that time around that time also. Past back, in 2012, you can say that. तो मुझे लगता था यार I keep on to do this. But that time there was no concept as mom blogger. There was no concept because even I was not in that stage. I was just 23, 24 post my graduation. तो वो blogs पढ़ती थी and there's a very popular blogger now who used to live in a PG and she had become blogger that time. So I started reading blogs and all. So I had that thing in me, even I can write, even I can do this. तो वो ऐसा रहता था तो बहुत बार ऐसा होता था आई यूज टू क्रिएट माई ब्लॉग पेज और वो उस टाइम पे वो वर्ड प्रेस और ऐसा होता था so I used to create my page. फिर but it was just like a hobby or a pastime I can say. ऐसा रहता था. Then I became a mom when I became a mom, I was like, कि यार, this journey is very exciting and it has many ups and downs. You know, every day बच्चा की psychology बिल्कुल अलग है. उसके उसके actions बिल्कुल अलग है. You are a child psychologist, you can get it easily, but being a new mom, आपको हर चीज, and being a first time mom, I can say, तो आपको हर चीज में ऐसा लगता है यार ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. मतलब एवरी मोमेंट इज लाइक एक्साइटमेंट मोमेंट एंड एवरी मोमेंट इज लाइक पैनिक वाला मोमेंट. तो आई वाज लाइक यार ऐसा जिससे मेरे साथ हो रहा है, देयर आर मेनी मदर्स बी फेसिंग सच थिंग. So then I created my page, the Mom Express. So I took it, but I was working that time, तो वो इतना full time नहीं रहता था, इतना involvement नहीं रहता था. Then I got I was expecting my second child, and then वो mood swings रहते थे कि I was off social media कि मेरे को नहीं करना है. I was not feeling nice. Then after that, I was like, no, this is something that, you know, keeps me sane, gives me my me time, and I really enjoy doing what I'm doing. Then suddenly, you know, doing it, and people come from, you know, different, I meet different people. It's like a virtual friend zone एक है कि आप घर पर हो, but still you have different friends, you are learning something from them and you are telling them something. So एक me time के लिए, this is what my page is for me. This is my sanity. नहीं तो आपको पता है कि वो चिल्ड्रन के साथ, वो जो टॉडलर्स के साथ क्या वो हर्डल्स होती हैं एक मदर की. So every mom needs a me time. So for me, this is my sanity. This is my me time. I really love what I'm doing.
Okay, so talking about those hurdles, जो आप अभी hurdles की बात कर रहे हैं, now let's talk about 2-3 more hurdles, because you know I'm sure a lot of people would be interested in how you got hold of those hurdles. So पहले तो hurdles को हम discuss करते हैं. What exactly hurdles you faced in your as a mother?
See, first of all, if I talk about किसी का ऐसा होता है कि कोई बेबी के स्लीप पैटर्न में हर्डल होता है, किसी के ईटिंग पैटर्न में हर्डल होता है. For my first child, I never faced such hurdles. The most important hurdle was because he was hyperactive. Controlling him was a big task for me, and being, you know, today I can't expect from grandparents that they can run after the toddlers, the kind of energy they have. So I was working as a digital marketer post my delivery also. But after a moment, I felt that no, my child needs so much of attention. And if I'm going for a job, so it would be difficult for him, you know, for my in-laws also to take care of him completely, because वो इतना ज़्यादा energy level आजकल के बच्चों का is beyond measure. So then I was like, okay, for some time, let him go to preschool, थोड़ा सा settle down हो जाएगा, then I'll resume. So this was the biggest hurdle for me, because to make him settle down.
Mm-hmm. So how did you, you know, you were successful about it. How did you do it?
Yeah, I was like, I don't want to give him screen time, because what I felt with my child, कि screen time देने के बाद when you were trying to take away the phone, तो वो aggression rate बहुत बढ़ जाता था. So I was like, so I dealt with it. I started involving him in activities for some time, and I started reading books to him. I started, you know, sitting with him, doing activities, and not touching my phone at that moment when I am being involved with him. So gradually, over a period, that's why also this was also one reason then I gave up this page, because I was concentrating fully on him that time. क्योंकि 1-1.5 साल का बच्चा, 2 साल का बच्चा इतने ज्यादा इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं ले सकता हमारे कि नो अभी यू डोंट हैव टू डू इट, वो नहीं ले सकता. व्हाट आई फेल्ट फ्रॉम माय जर्नी. So I was like, नहीं, the only thing that I have to do, if I will take my phone, my child will ask for screen time. कि mama is also using. So I gave up my phone time during that time. To be honest, मतलब मुझे घर से भी कॉल करना होता था. I was like कि मैं बाद में बात करूंगी, अभी I am busy with him. So उस time पे I started reading books or doing some sort of activities with him कि okay, let's do this, let's do painting, let's do something. तो वो थोड़ा वो gradually उसका वो concentration level और वो ना sitting tolerance बढ़ने लगा.
So that means it's very, very clear कि अगर as a parent, see, I'll tell you what happens is, when we say to the child कि आपने ये नहीं करना है या ये करना है, children don't do what you say, okay, children do
Yeah,
what you do. ये बहुत
yeah,
important
exactly.
point है, which every mother has to understand, every parent has to understand. And this is also one of my points in my book of parenting. But सबसे important चीज जो हमें ये ध्यान रखनी है, as a parent, you don't have to say anything to your child, you have to actually do it. If you really want your child to do it
Yeah,
just exactly the way you are doing it, आपको भी वही चीज करनी होगी जो आप अपने बच्चे को करवाना चाहते हैं. So you are I mean, you want to concentrate more, you want to sit at one place, so you have to show him that, see, I am also sitting at one place. और वो उसको बताना या जताना नहीं है, वो उसको सिर्फ दिखाना है किसी भी तरीके से, so that he gets an idea कि oh my, if my mom can do it, I can also do it. And that is the competition which we have to develop in the child.
yeah, it happens actually. क्या होता है जब मैं अपना suppose for my this page Insta handle, when I am noting down something or making a plan, so he gets to know कि mama is doing some work. So वो भी अपना कुछ कुछ उठा के ले आता है, maybe some color, book, anything, and he is like, mama, you do your work, I am doing my work. So it happens with me and with my child. वो ऐसा होता है कि mama, you're doing your work, you do your work, and I am doing my work.
Of course, and that is exactly what the children need to, get involved in. Okay, Kanika. Now let's come to the second child. So जब second child आया, I mean, of course आपका एक first child का तो काफी experience था. So was it easy to handle the second child, or it was a different challenge?
See, handling second child was not a challenge, but handling both of them together is a challenge, and it is still a challenge for me because one toddler.
यही मैं I wanted to get it from the horse mouth. यही मैं सुनना चाहता था कि दो बच्चों के साथ what is the big challenge. चलो, we'll discuss on it. Okay, continue.
Yeah, I'm like a soldier on the on the war front. It's like, no, you don't do it. No, no. Both of them are equally. It's like कि none of them are less. कि ये नहीं कर रही या वो नहीं कर रही. Sometimes he is doing some prank with her, and sometimes she is doing something with him. So it's like the toughest job that I'm doing, just monitoring and babysitting for both of them together.
Good. So what exactly did you learn, or what exactly do you taught your other bloggers that this is how you should handle?
See, parenting is a journey. You know that you have so many clients, Parenting is a journey, and there is no one formula that fits for all. All I can say is, any mom, how your child can understand and take instructions the best. आपको पता है आपका बच्चा सबसे अच्छे इंस्ट्रक्शंस किस वे में लेगा. कुछ ऐसे ही ले लेते इजीली. लाइक विद माय डॉटर इट्स वेरी इजी for now, but for my son I have to be extra involved because his energy level is like, I have to make him sit, I have to involve it in a other way. So हर parent को पता है कि how to handle a child, and continuously, and if I want my child to listen to me, I have to be a role model. जो मैं करूंगी वो मेरा बेबी जरूर करेगा positively, and they are observing us in each and every way. I tell you, my husband is busy in meeting whole day. So his job is this. You can understand work from home का आजकल situation कैसा है. So but still my child is noticing what his father does, his habits. Okay, mama, papa भी ऐसा नहीं करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं. So I keep telling my husband, see, look, he's noticing you also what you're doing. So we have to be very particular how we have to, and आज के time पे every child has a very good brain. They have, and there, I love the way, last time also I told somebody, I love the way, they question. हर चीज का वो जो आंसर करते हैं ना, I love it. Because जो हमारे टाइम में होता था ना, अरे we had all silly reasoning from our parents. अरे बाबा आ जाएगा, ये आ जाएगा, वो आ जाएगा. We used to sit. तो वो आपने भी फील किया होगा कि हमारे टाइम में हम लोगों को बहुत लेट चीजें समझ आती थी, बट आजकल के बच्चों में दे नो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. So I love the way this question, and I believe in answering them the right way. ऐसा नहीं अभी नहीं बताऊंगी या अभी नहीं बेटा बाबा आ जाएगा या no fancy things. What he asks he has a right to know. So this is how I handle it.
I'll tell you, आजकल के जो बच्चे हैं, they have a very good logical mind actually. right? And
Absolutely.
yeah, and they have very good logical mind. You cannot befool them. But problem ये है कि they are distracted. They are really, really distracted. I remember, or probably you also must be remembering, when you were a kid, then you only had a very limited amount of distraction, or limited distractions. Okay. Now, since a lot of people have joined us, and you guys are welcome to ask any question from us related to any parenting issues. Please, you all are welcome. Okay, so जब हमारा और आपके टाइम में क्या होता था, the distraction level was little less. The distraction activities were little less. आजकल में there's a huge amount of distraction activities which is going on all across. And ये भी एक fact बात है कि when a son watches his father doing, he exactly enacts the same way. And this is also true when a girl watches her mom doing whatever, so she also enacts in the same way. वो आज भी वही है. हमारे से पहले, when we were kids तब भी था. हमारे ancestors, हमारे forefathers, when they were kids तब भी था. Only thing is change is that logical mind. That today's child is more logical. They are more curious, and they are more smart. You cannot challenge the smartness of today's child. You cannot. Right?
I tell you one incident like this. You know what my child asked everybody that day in a playful mood? He was like, जब आप 3 साल के थे आपको कोरोना वायरस के बारे में पता था? नहीं ना, मुझे पता है. So,
That's so nice. अब उनको आप ये कह सकते हैं कि when your child will come, then just ask them कि तुम्हें पता था 3 साल पहले, इसका मतलब हम आज भी स्मार्ट हैं. So वो अभी भी कहेंगे कि we are so smart. Okay, anyway.
Everybody started laughing on this thing कि नहीं, हमें नहीं पता था. So he was like, मुझे पता है कि what coronavirus is.
Perfect. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Today's child is more smart. They're more logical. Okay. कनिका, कोई ऐसे केसेस हैं, ऐसी चीज जो आपको लगता है कि that was a challenge for you? I'm sure a lot of parents would have asked you certain things जिसमें आपको थोड़ा सा challenging position लगी हो, या you must have really thought that how to actually handle this kind of situation. कोई ऐसा केस आपके पास?
ऐसा था. इट्स लाइक कि जैसे जो मेरा सबसे बड़ा इशू विद माय फर्स्ट चाइल्ड, अभी मेरे सेकंड इज वेरी, अभी वो वाले फेज में आई नहीं है कि मुझे बहुत सारे इश्यूज आए. बिकॉज वन इशू दैट आई एम फेसिंग विद हर इज शी इज अ वेरी वेरी पिकी ईटर. Other than that, I have no issues with her as such.
She is very I'm sorry.
Picky eater. वो खाने के लिए she is very fussy. So that is a big challenge when I have to feed her. तो वो ऐसा लगता है कि I have to prepare myself for something. तो मेरे लाइक माई चाइल्ड के लिए मेरे को सबसे बड़ा इशू यही आया था कि हाउ टू हैंडल हिम, बिकॉज ही वाज वेरी 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 नोटोरियस. तो ऐसा रहता था कि मतलब एक वो फियर फैक्टर ही रहता था, अब लग जाएगी. एंड ऑल्सो आई अंडरस्टूड हिज थिंग दैट इफ आई हैव टू टीच हिम समथिंग, उसका जो लर्निंग का प्रोसेस था, आई हैव टू गिव हिम ऑल प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. उसको सारी उसको ही वाज लाइक ही इज नॉट इनटू, जैसे आई कैन से कि उसको कुछ भी चीज समझानी होती थी तो आई हैव टू नरेट हिम अ स्टोरी लाइक हिज फादर डज इट एवरी डे, कि उसको जब हैंडल करना होता है तो वो अच्छा एक बार की बात है तो ही सिट्स क्वाइटली, अच्छा हाँ ओके पापा ओके. So I feel कि बच्चों को अगर इन्वॉल्व करना है तो स्टोरी टेलिंग एक्टिविटीज, they are a great way to make them sit for good concentration.
Actually, that's a good idea, because I'll tell you what happens is there are so many. See, I'll tell you, when we take a personality test, there are almost 20 to 25 characteristics of one personality. एक इंसान के अंदर 20 से 20 से 25 characteristics होती हैं पर्सनैलिटी की, सिर्फ पर्सनैलिटी की. तो हर कैरेक्टर यूनिक है, हर इंसान यूनिक है, हर बच्चा यूनिक है. 2 brothers cannot be same, 2 sisters cannot be same, 2 brothers sisters cannot be same, right? तो उससे क्या होता है, now when we are talking about personality, your son might be of a personality जहाँ पे he is curious about, he is a creative person, and probably he understands more about with the story. Now there are other children examples जहाँ पे वो लॉजिकली समझेंगे, जहाँ पे वो कैलकुलेटिवली समझेंगे, जहाँ पे वो वोकैबुलरी वाइज समझेंगे, जहाँ पे वो कम्युनिकेशन वाइज समझेंगे. यू अंडरस्टैंड? हर बच्चे का तरीका. नाउ यू वर लकी इनफ टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आप मेरे बच्चे को समझाने का क्या तरीका है, राइट? बट देयर आर सो मेनी पेरेंट्स आज भी दे आर सो कंफ्यूज एंड प्रॉब्ली दे आर स्ट्रगलिंग कि मैं अपने बच्चे को किस तरह से समझाऊं. सो you know, with this chat I would like to tell all the parents who are watching us that please understand that every child is a unique child, और हर बच्चे को समझाने का, उसको बताने का, उसको you know, I would say राह पे लाने का तरीके अलग अलग होते हैं. Now you're talking about finicky eating, right? Okay, now उसके बारे में भी मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ. What happens is you know, smart mothers, हम आजकल बच्चों के साथ साथ mothers भी बहुत smart हैं, तो उन्होंने ना एक तरीका अपना लिया है खाना खिलाने का बच्चों को, राइट? बहुत प्यारा तरीका है. पहले तो क्या वो पीछे पीछे भागना, यू नो, बच्चे के पीछे आजा आजा, खा ले खा ले खा ले, क्यों तंग कर रही है, कर रहा है, यू नो. सो व्हाट दे डिड इनिशियली, कुछ साल पहले ऐसे ही करते थे, उठाया और एक इडियट बॉक्स के आगे बिठा दिया और ऑन कर दिया और कार्टून आ रही है और बच्चा जैप्ड है, उसका मुंह खुला हुआ है और माँ उसके चम्मच मुंह में डाल डाल के, यू नो, सो शी इज फीडिंग. एंड आफ्टर समटाइम्स एक प्रॉब्लम हमारे पास आती है एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट, एज अ काउंसलर, एज अ चाइल्ड एक्सपर्ट कि सर मेरा बच्चा टीवी बहुत देखता है. अरे बाबा, हु स्टार्टेड इट? एट द फर्स्ट गो, हु स्टार्टेड इट? नंबर 1. नंबर 2, आजकल का क्या है, टीवी थोड़ा कम हो गया है, मोबाइल थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया है. सो जो मोबाइल एडिक्शन है, दैट इज ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड बाय द पेरेंट्स. सी, इट इज नॉट, इट इज सो सिंपल दैट आपको अपनी लाइफ को ईज करने के लिए आपने बच्चे को कुछ गैजेट दिया है, ओके, और आज वो उस गैजेट का वो इतना आदी हो गया है दैट इट हैज बिकम एन हैबिट in the child, and now you want to take that habit now, which is quite impossible.
One incident related to this. When I was in the last trimester of my pregnancy, so body से इतना नहीं होता था. I was like, yeah, I have to make him sit. I can't run after him because we live on a first floor, so it's little risky. I can't run after him again and again, and moreover this coronavirus was there. So I had to make him sit. So what happened, I was like, okay, you can take screen time. But over a period of time, I noticed that his aggression level is increasing.
Yes.
And also, now he's in a phase, because that time he was around 3. So he was around, almost approximately, he was 3 years of age. So I experienced that now he can put on YouTube on his own. He can put any channel, he can switch any channel. तो आजकल के जो बच्चे हैं, they are logical also, they are very smart also, they can, you know, trick us also. So I was like कि ये तो भाई बहुत सारे फोन तोड़ दिए इसने लॉकडाउन में, मतलब मेरा या whosoever phone he has, और नहीं दिया तो था. So then I was like, I will not do it. And then I started, you know, putting he just watches one TV, and I am very particular about that show, what he is watching. So I have given this strict instruction to everyone at my home. Nobody will give him YouTube, no matter what. Let him try, let him do whatever, but he will not get. But you know, आजकल के टाइम में इतनी ज्यादा एक्टिविटीज नहीं है, and the child is homebound. हम स्क्रीन टाइम, हम उसको इतना क्या करेंगे हम उसके साथ सारा दिन? A child can't do activity whole day. A child can't study whole day. He needs entertainment like us, right? So I give him one show. That is, I am very particular what show he watches. He watches this one channel, that is Peppa Pig. So then I noticed that he started picking good words from that channel. So I am very particular कि वो इतने टाइम के लिए ही देखेगा और यही शो देखेगा, इसके अलावा I don't put any show for him.
In fact, मैं इसमें कुछ add on भी करना चाहता हूँ. That you are absolutely right. It's not that, you know, we need to understand, we need to rule out. Okay, we are parents. Don't give up. First of all, don't give up. Okay, even if your child is so hyper or he's so, I mean, अभी एक question आ रहा था कि my child is a 5-year-old child. What kind of activities can I, you know, and he's very energetic. So what kind of activity is good for him? So इसके अंदर तो, and you rightly said कि we cannot, I mean, आजकल के time में फिलहाल we cannot go out because of certain restrictions also and health issues also. But in घर में भी we have so many things. I personally feel कि आजकल के बच्चों को, if you really want to make them challenging and responsible. I don't say कि वो responsible बनेंगे, but yes, थोड़ा सा maturity level में जाना है, तो you have to involve them in all the activities whatever you've been doing in the house. Of course, उसको घर में entertainment चाहिए, of course चाहिए, वो तो देना ही देना है. But at the same moment of time, he also should be involved in the household work. He also should be involved in your professional work. He also should understand certain things about the work, what parents are doing. So I think in totality, अगर हर चीज उस बच्चे को थोड़ा दे दिया जाए, तो उसका भी एक क्रिएटिव मेथड, उसका भी क्रिएटिव माइंड बनेगा, उसका भी एक लॉजिकल माइंड बनेगा, उसका भी एक he will also now start thinking on those terms. तो आई थिंक वो एक बहुत कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत अच्छा है. कहते हैं ना कि हर कुछ अगर बुरा हो रहा है तो उस बुरा में भी कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है, राइट? तो अगर बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी हो रही हैं जो नेगेटिविटी दे रही हैं, बट उसके साथ साथ बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी भी हैं जो उसके अंदर से पॉजिटिव हमें दे रही हैं. ओनली थिंग इज दैट वी हैव टू सी दैट पॉजिटिविटी, राइट? तो आई थिंक yes, what you need to do is that you have to be a little more vigilant on your child कि what is he watching, आपको क्या दिखाना है उसको, आपको क्या उसको समझाना है, आपको कौन सा शो देना है, आपको कौन सा खाना खिलाना है. You know, food habits में भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम है.
तो मैं इस क्वेश्चन का जिन्होंने भी यहाँ पे पूछा है, आई थिंक आई मिस दैट नेम, बट आई विल आंसर टू दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. आई टेल यू, सी, हमें बच्चे ने शो देखना है, दैट इज ओके, उसको भी एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए. लाइक अस, बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं कि यार ये तो टीवी देख रहा है, ओके, इसको भी एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए. वो बच्चा सारा दिन नहीं पढ़ सकता.
करेक्ट.
हमारी भी कंसंट्रेशन इज नॉट लाइक वी कैन बी इन्वॉल्व इन वन एक्टिविटी होल डे. वी नीड डिफरेंट थिंग्स. So for that, आपका बच्चा जो शो देख रहा है, if he is gaining something positive out of it, so it's okay. Limit the time, but it's okay. जैसे from I tell you from my child वो watches Peppa. उसमें से वो बहुत सारे communication की words pick करता है, you know the sentences. He picks from there and he says, I like, मैंने तो इसके साथ ऐसा नहीं बोला है, but he's saying, so I get it कि okay ये Peppa से सीखा होगा. So I am okay with that show. It's kind of a family show. तो आई एम ओके विद दैट शो. बट और भी बहुत सारे शो आते हैं जिसमें फाइट एंड वो आते हैं. आई नो कि मेरा बेटा ये फाइट वाले शो देख के पक्का आज कुछ मारा कुछ करेगा. आई विल नॉट गिव दैट शो टू हिम. ऑल्सो देर आर सम एक्टिविटीज एज आस्क्ड बाय देम, लाइक क्ले. बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटी है. माई चाइल्ड लव्स टू प्ले विद क्ले डोज. बहुत अच्छे टाइम के लिए वो खेल लेता है. फ्लाइंग बहुत अच्छा है. There are certain messy plays, but kids love it. जैसे kinetic sand. They're good for hand coordination. They're good for, you know, वो sitting वाली tolerance भी बहुत अच्छी आती है. Breathing activities. Also, आज के ये जो बच्चे हैं, they are very good at doing household chores. आपके साथ वो उनको बर्तन और ये सब चीजें से खेल. I have seen it कि वो उनको बहुत मजा आता है ये सब खेलने के लिए. So they can involve in that also. Rest, good tips I can hear from you, even that would help me also.
No, I'm telling you. I mean, see, this is exactly what we are, what I'm telling you. Because what happens is, when your child, right from the day, right from the morning, whatever time you wake up or the child wake up, I think he should be getting involved into religious activities as well. Because when you are doing puja, or you are, you know, I think बच्चे को भी उसमें involve करने का बहुत. So he develops his religious mindset as well. He develops, okay, then of course household chores, okay, then of course your work, okay, get me my laptop, okay, can you open it, okay, can you just switch it on, okay, I'm coming up, fine, can you arrange for my my copies, can you arrange for my notebooks, can you arrange for my pen. These are all things which are very small things, but they are giving them a disciplined action. Okay, they are telling them exactly what we need to do in our you know, work. Then of course yoga, then gymming if you're doing it at home, gardening. It's a beautiful activity. It's a beautiful activity.
They just imitate what we do. So जो हमें अपने बच्चों को सिखाना है, we have to do it. Be it, you know, what I am saying, my child is noticing each and every word. So it's like कि जो हमें सिखाना है वही कहना है, वही करना है. Absolutely.
In fact, करना है सबसे पहले, तो करना है, बाद में कुछ कहना है. Because कभी unspoken words are understood more better rather than those speaking words. So yeah, acha. Okay, Kanika. So what else are you thinking? Planning in the near future?
First of all, I have, this thing, this platform, I have told you before also that I love doing it. I love this work. Secondly, I am planning to, resume my digital marketing career. I mean, after maybe 1 year, 1 or 2 years, because, let this lockdown open up and let children go to school, because sitting with them in online classes is also a responsibility. So, yeah, this is what I'm planning as of now
Okay.
on
Now,
the personal front.
अगर हम थोड़ा सा करियर के बारे में बात करें, हाँ, तो do you think that becoming a blogger or probably becoming an influencer is a good career? I mean, in terms of money and satisfaction.
See, I have just started it, so I can't comment on the money section for sure, because I can say I'm a budding influencer. I can't say ki, okay, I am earning pretty well, but what is my motivation for pursuing it, and what, whosoever is pursuing it should pursue, because they love to portray their inner self. उन्हें मजा आता है अपनी, to write or jot down their stories, whatever, be it parenting, be it fashion, whatever. This should not be a constraint कि मुझे money मिलेगा तभी काम करूंगी या वो. पता है, when you have passion for something, you will love it, and that will show on your, work front. Be it your feed only. अगर आपको उस चीज में मजा आ रहा है, और आप अगर मजा नहीं आ रहा है, just for the sake of it, यार मैंने तो पेज बनाया है, आपने कुछ भी फोटो खींच के डाल दी, so people will also get to know that you are not enjoying your work. And if you are enjoying, आप gradually you will rise, you will learn many things.
Wow. Wow, great,
So
great, great.
for me, I am not considering कि money मुझे मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. But yes, this platform I love, because I love interacting with people. I have a very small but very beautiful community of people जिनके साथ रोज interaction होता है. So I learn from them. बहुत सारी moms हैं जो कुछ ऐसे post डालती हैं, तो I learn from them. या maybe कि ये एक्टिविटी के लिए मैं कहाँ जा सकती थी, अगर being at home मुझे तो कुछ नहीं पता, because I am cut off from that world. I am not
True.
socializing with anyone. बट इस फील्ड के थ्रू आई कम टू नो फ्रॉम माई मॉमी फ्रेंड्स कि ओके, अच्छा ये करना चाहती हूँ, मैं किधर कर सकती हूँ. So this is what, and this is my, I tell you, this is my sanity. I love it. पहले I was taking it up as कि ठीक है करना है कर लेंगे पार्ट टाइम टाइप, तो मैं उतना concentrate भी नहीं कर पाती थी. But now I know कि I love what I'm doing. I love interacting with people. So I have to take this forward. So that's why this is what my page is all about.
Fatima, Fatima is asking about which platform. Fatima, she's talking about Instagram platform where she is working as she's as a mom blogger and of course influencer, and that is exactly what I am also working but I'm not working as a mom blogger or brand blogger. I'm working as a child psychologist, and so
you are doing a very difficult task, I'm telling you, because
it is very
yes,
tough.
Understanding psychology is not that easy.
Very tough, very tough. I tell you, every day, before sleeping at the night, we need to, revisit our mind again, and exactly we need to. मैंने आपको बोला ना जैसे कि every person is a unique person, और हर इंसान की जो भी challenges, अगर challenges एक तरीके का भी होगा ना, तो हर इंसान के solutions अलग-अलग तरीके के होंगे. वो एक तरीके का नहीं हो सकता, right? Challenges एक तरीके के हो सकते हैं.
हाँ, whosoever is coming to you is not patient. You have to be patient.
Absolutely, मेरा तो patience level तो they test like anything.
Yeah, I know, I can understand. I experienced. I had talked to the teachers also कि भाई आप इतने सारे बच्चे एक साथ मैनेज करते हो, and
Very
it's
true.
like कि 2 बच्चों को या एक बच्चे को हैंडल करना is a big task. Understanding their
Absolutely.
psychology whole day.
Absolutely, absolutely. So we have to give a big thanks to the teachers also.
Yeah, definitely.
Chalo,
They're
Fatima.
doing a big task.
Yes. Chalo, Kanika, anything you would like to ask?
See, I will be asking, I want you to give tips on how to handle toddler tantrum, first of all, because I think ये सारी मॉमीज का क्वेश्चन होगा for sure. क्योंकि घर पे रह के और वो एक्स्ट्रा पैम्परिंग के साथ उन बच्चों के टैंट्रम्स भी बढ़ चुके हैं. So I think this question is for every mommy. First question. And second question to you is how, how to be, मतलब we all the parents are in this mom guilt. Basically I'm talking about mom guilt. क्योंकि मोस्टली मॉम्स देख रही हैं तो वो मॉम गिल्ट रहता ही है रोज का कि ओके मे बी आज मैंने ये नहीं कर पाई तो मे बी आई हैव फेल्ड एज अ पेरेंट. So I want you to give something, your valuable advice, how to be content with what you're doing, to stay away from this
Okay.
mom guilt.
Okay. First of all, I would like to thank Siku1180. She's saying Bhaiya is an amazing psychologist and a human being too. Thank you, Siku. Thank you so much. Hi, Riddhi. Good to see you, Riddhi. Riddhi
I
is
love
again
her
a
parenting tips.
yeah. Riddhi is a wonderful parenting
Parenting
expert and a mom blogger influencer, and she's herself a very wonderful human being, of course. Thank you, Siku, for complimenting me. Now I'll tell you what. First of all, let's understand and let's take off this word called tantrums, because tantrums का मतलब ये होता है कि हम anxiety में आ जाते हैं, कि अब क्या we have to do. So two things you need to understand. First, you need to be very very focused on exactly what you need to do. Okay, what you need to do exactly. And if you've set targets and set some rules and regulations for a child, then I think you need to abide by that. Immaterial of the child, whether he's crying, whether he's creating tantrums, or whether he's showing aggression. I think you need to be on your rule, because that is where your value of words are. Okay, आज अगर आप अपने रूल को तोड़ देंगे just because कि आपका बच्चा एक बहुत ही प्यारा भोला सा चेहरा बना के आपसे कुछ चीज निकलवाना चाहता है, और आपने उस बच्चे को वार्निंग दिया है और आपने बोला है कि आगे से तू अब तो नहीं करेगा ना अगर मैं तुझे दिला दूंगा. No, none of the child will say हाँ मैं करूंगा. Everyone will say कि मैं नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि उसने वो काम निकलवाना है, राइट? तो वो आपसे जो मर्जी भोली सूरत बना के आपसे वो काम निकलवा ले, एंड यू फील दैट आप वो जंग जीत गए. आई एम सॉरी, यू हैव लॉस्ट दैट बैटल बिकॉज यू ब्रोक योर ओन रूल, right? So, and a very simple example is when you take the child out in a toy shop or somewhere, and the child is boggling here and there, और वो जिद करता है टॉय लेने की और आपने उसे मना किया है कि हम कुछ नहीं लेंगे. You have to stick on your words. Immaterial कि वो नीचे गिर के रो रहा है या whatever he is doing. Okay, so number one is that you have to be on your rules. Secondly, the discipline has to be followed. The discipline has to be followed. So if you have set a discipline in your house कि यहाँ पे ये चीज होनी है, ये खाना आज सबने खाना है, ये खाना इतने बजे खाना है, ब्रेकफास्ट हैज टू बी सर्व, खाना हमने डाइनिंग टेबल पे खाना है. ओके, नो टीवी वुड बी ऑन व्हेन वी आर ईटिंग. Everyone will be staying together, eating together. So there has to be a us time. There has to be a family time. तो उसमें immaterial of whatever he does, he has to be, in that meeting. He has to be in that. तो दो rules हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा. Don't deviate from your own rules, and secondly set discipline. तो अगर ये दो चीजें आपके पास हैं, थोड़ी सी तकलीफ जरूर होगी. I'm sure थोड़ी सी तकलीफ जरूर होगी. But at the same moment of time, जैसे जैसे वो बड़ा होगा, जैसे जैसे वो रूल्स के साथ चलेगा, जैसे जैसे वो डिसिप्लिन के अंडर में लाई करेगा, you will see an overall development of the child. You will really see कि हाँ मेरा बच्चा 4 साल 2 साल 5 साल पहले क्या था, and what a drastic change has come up. Why? Because parenting is not easy. Being a parent is very easy. Parent बनना बड़ा आसान है, parenting करना सबसे मुश्किल. Okay? Absolutely. और it's a huge, it's a long term planning. Your child is a long term investment. Fine? Yes. तो आप उससे gains नहीं ले सकते in a very short term. उसको भी आपको time देना पड़ेगा. So I think these two rules you need to follow. Number one, set your own rules and be on your rules. And secondly, discipline. डिसिप्लिन और रूल्स, ये दोनों चीजें आपको सेट करनी पड़ेगी। टैंट्रम्स जो मर्जी करे, खाना नहीं खा रहा, नो प्रॉब्लम, मत खा, 3 दिन भी कुछ नहीं होगा बच्चे को, आई एम टेलिंग यू, 3 दिन भी कुछ नहीं होगा। और ऐसा कोई बच्चा नहीं है जो 3 घंटे भी भूखा रह ले, राइट? तो अगर वो बोल रहा है ना कि मैं खाना नहीं खाऊंगा, गुड, वेरी नाइस, डोंट डोंट पैम्पर हिम, और अच्छा मेरे बच्चे अब खा ले, अच्छा चल अब आगे से मत करियो, खा ले। नो, आई एम सॉरी, unless and until there is really sorry in him, and that shows, आंखें भी बताती है, बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी बताती है। You don't have to, आपको स्ट्रिक्ट रहना है, आपको एज अ मॉम बात करनी है। आप जितना फ्रेंडशिप के तौर पे चलते जाओगे, देखो ये भी एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, लोग सोचते हैं कि पेरेंट्स फ्रेंड्स बन जाएं। मैं कहता हूं अगर पेरेंट्स फ्रेंड्स बन गए तो पेरेंट्स कौन बनेंगे? यू गेटिंग मी? तो पेरेंट्स को पेरेंट्स रहना बहुत जरूरी है। हाँ, फ्रेंडली पेरेंट, दैट इज ओके, बट टोटली फ्रेंड्स, आई एम सॉरी, नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल। टोटली फ्रेंड्स इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल।
वेरी ट्रू, आई टोटली अग्री कि बट इंडियन मॉम्स के लिए वही आजकल का जो वो बैलेंस बोर्ड है ना, इधर वी गो वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट और वी गो वेरी लीनियंट, so maintaining a balance is very important. तो वो एक टफ चैलेंज है फॉर इंडियन मॉम्स, लाइक यू सेड कि खाना नहीं खाता है तो खाओ, नहीं खाएगा तो इट्स ओके, उसको वैसे रहने दो। तो आई थिंक वो बहुत मुश्किल काम है इंडियन मॉम्स के लिए, बट वी हैव टू बी स्ट्रिक्ट अभी से, ताकि वो आगे जाके इट्स इजी फॉर अस एंड फॉर देयर लाइफ।
Great. There's another point saying, I have followed the mantras of yours, sir, and it really helped me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. There's so many people. Great. Chalo, ma'am, any last tips you would like to give to the viewers?
See, all I can say is parenting is a journey and there's no one formula that fits for everyone कि ये मैंने ऐसा करा है, तुम भी ऐसा करके देख लो. It might help, but it is not a sure thing कि okay, आपके लिए भी वही काम करेगा. And for parenting, you have to be patient. You don't expect the child to be patient with you कि मतलब वो मेरी हर बात सुनेगा, वो नहीं सुनेगा. You have to be patient. वो एक बार नहीं सुनेगा, 2 बार नहीं सुनेगा, 3 बार नहीं सुनेगा, but ultimately he is reading your thing, taking your instruction somewhere. वो एक बात अभी नहीं समझ आएगी, थोड़ी देर बाद he'll get to know. Maybe कुछ दिनों के बाद. I tell you, अभी क्या था, my child learned this habit somewhere. मतलब बच्चे जैसे करते हैं कि वो एक टॉय लिया, 2 टॉय लिया, 3 टॉय लिया, इधर उधर. He created a mess. And I didn't like it. I was like, no, you will not get it. If you want one toy, I will hide all the toys for you. If you want one toy, you have to put another one back and then take one. So over a period of time, he was throwing tantrums that day. Nahi, you do it. He was doing that way. I was like, no, if I will do it, I will take away all your toys. You have to put it back to its place and then you have to take another one. So 2-3 days, after 2-3 days, 4 days, we went somewhere and he did the same thing. Together, Mama, I have taken one and I have put another one back. I was very happy to know कि ये घर पे तो नहीं कर रहा था, but यहाँ करा, तो this means it's in his mind. And after 2-3 more days, he started, doing at his own place also. So I was like, okay, my role is done. Sometimes we have to be strict, but if not us, then who will be strict? I think there's some issue with my battery. My battery is gone. So let me put my phone on.
Cool.
Yeah, hi.
Okay.
Am I audible?
Yeah, absolutely fine. Okay, there are 2-3 questions lined up, but then we'll take up only one question as we have a little less time. There's a viewer who says how to raise a 3-year-old daughter so that she grows into a nice, intelligent and well-groomed lady. I think आपने बहुत सारी expectations बना रखी है, बहुत सारी. Let me be very frank, please let the child live his or her own life. कोई भी गर्ल चाइल्ड या मेल या बॉय चाइल्ड ऐसा नहीं है जो हैंडसम या वेल ग्रूम्ड ना बने. आजकल का कंपटीशन इतना है कि अगर आप नहीं भी चाहेंगे तो भी वो आपसे ज्यादा स्मार्ट और आपसे ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल बनेंगे. ओके, नो मैटर द what is the complexion, no matter what is the height, no matter whether she's fat or she's thin, She would be beautiful. Only work on her, on her.
Everyone, my husband, कि यार हमारी पुरानी फोटोज देख लो बचपन की, so their photos are so better than ours. So definitely, they are more. They are actually they are more groomed. You know,
Yes.
if we compare to our time, they're more groomed, and they have so much exposure. So, but the only thing that we have to keep in mind is, you know, अगर आप अपने बच्चे को अच्छा बनाना चाहते हो, you do the good in front of them so that
Yes,
they notice
absolutely.
what you do.
That is exactly what I want to say. कि please आप अपने संस्कारों का ध्यान रखिए, because that is very important. Your ethics, your morals, they have to be strong. If you really want your child's character to be strong, it is immaterial whether she or he is beautiful looking or handsome looking. But अगर उसका character strong है, तो वो किसी भी तरह, कहीं से भी, किसी भी तरह से, he will be successful in his life. I'm telling you this.
Perfect, perfect. You said it all right. Yes. अगर you know character strong है, so ultimately वो persona बहुत strong होगा.
Yes, और वो तभी हो पाएगा जब आपके घर में आपका कैरेक्टर, आपके संस्कार, आपके एथिक्स, आपके मॉरल्स, आपके रूल्स, आपका डिसिप्लिन आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. That the child has to go by that. The whole journey of these 5-6 lines and 5-6 points, then only you will see your child will be a successful child. Chalo, great, Kanika. It was nice talking to you. मैंने आपकी बैटरी भी बहुत खा ली.
नहीं एक्चुअली वो फोन ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के बाद ऐसे ही रह जाता है.
I know. That's my nature. I am a little jovial person. I create some hasi mazak from every situation. That's how I get charged up. You know, as a psychologist, I get charged up. That's the reason I got charged up.
Humor is very important in life. But more thing I want to tell to every parent that I have learned over a period of time: don't expect everything perfect from your child. अगर if we go and look back to our childhood days, हमने भी कुछ ऐसा किया होगा जो हमने कुछ over a period of time नहीं
बिल्कुल ठीक बात.
So do not expect from your child, या मैंने बोला था ये तो पूरा he should be all perfect, किसी के सामने बिल्कुल ऐसे behave करे, because maybe हमने अगर if we go and look back to our journey, we have grown this much, we have learned from our mistakes. You know, कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा ये किया था छोटे होते, ये नहीं करना चाहिए था. So please give them that time. This time is very tough for kids. You know, they have no outdoors, they have no activities, they have no social gathering, no peer. We learn the most from our peer group. So they do not have such things. So please be kind, be patient with them. Though it is very difficult from mom. But
great, Kanika. Great. Thank you so much. Wonderful talking to you. It's a pleasure to be with you. And hopefully we'll join up again. Have a great day and a great parenting ahead. Give my love to both the children and of course regards to the family. Thank you so much, Kanika.
Thank you for having me. It was a great session. I loved interacting with this. So thank you so much.
Thank you. And if you feel that I could be of any help anytime, please get back.
Yeah, definitely. You gonna help so many parents. So I am definitely gonna shoot my questions soon.
Ciao.
Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so that was Kanika Bhatia, mom blogger. Thank you so much for joining in, friends. And I will come to you next time with another session and another eminent personality. In the meantime, if you face any issues, if you face any problems related to career of your child, related to behavior of your child, or anything else related to parenting, related to teaching, related to psychological issues, please get back, DM me, talk to me, and I'll try to solve your problem. Thank you so much. God bless you all. I'll see you later.